Going on, y'all? LBNF Souls here, coming at you with another video. Today I got another unboxing for you. Not as big as last time. I only have 5 packages today. I have one from Nike, 2 from Foot Locker, 1 from Go, and then 1 to Sneakerhead in the Bay. Shout out Alex. All of these were retail cops, except for the 1 from Go. I've been waiting for that pair for a while. I've always wanted it, so I just finally said, you know what, shelved off the cash and I got them. So hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. LBNF. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start off with the first one. It's from Alex or Sneakerhead in the Bay. What I do have in here is I have one of his car slabs. This one's for my sister for her birthday, so I can't post this video until then. As well as the OG slab from his channel. Signed, of course, you know the vibes. As well as one of the off-white keychains that he made. It's going to go on my second keychain for my other car. It's an older car. Put this off to the side. Alright, let's get into the first one right here. I believe this one is from Foot Locker. It is a Jordan 1 box, as you can see. These are beautiful. As you can see, we got the blue toes right here, or that's what I'm going to call them. Dead stock, size 8. These are beautiful. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to secure my size. My size actually got canceled, as well as a few other sizes that I had ordered. But, you know, I'll end up picking them up in the future after I sell those. I'm not going to sell those anytime soon, so they're going to stay for a little while. But hopefully I catch a restock and I get my size. This one I believe is from Foot Locker as well. The invoice. Wonder why the other one didn't have an invoice. Another Jordan 1 box. This one's a little bit more beat up, but that's alright. Another size 8. You guessed another pair of blue toes. You're correct. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get a pair of these for myself. I don't know why everyone's sleeping on these. The leather's not terrible. These are beautiful. I'm not really a big blue guy, but these are, I'm gonna have to get these sometime. Alright, and here's the next one. This one I believe is from Go. Been waiting on these for a while. Kept following the price and I just finally said, you know, I gotta do it. You see that box? You see that box? This is an SB box in my size 11, from Go. Was verified. Unfortunately, there's no signature on here, so that's kind of weird. The Ray Gun Dunks. These are heat. These are beautiful. Looks like they were tried on, but it's alright. But yeah, these are beautiful. Waiting on these for a It took almost right around a month. There are a few factory flaws on here that I can see. So that's kind of disappointing. Lace bag is still attached, so that's a good sign. But like I said, these are absolutely beautiful. I wanted these so bad. So I might have to message Go on that one, see if we can get that resolved. It's not that big of an issue. I'm going to keep them regardless. But on to the next one. As you can tell, got the Nike tape. This is from Sneakers, or is it Sneakers app? And yes, I do need a haircut. But with everything shutting down with COVID-19, it's kind of hard. Now my only complaint about this is, you see how big this box is? You see how little the actual shoe box is? Thank God it wasn't damaged in shipping, but come on Nike, you can do better. As you can see, it is another Jordan 1. And if you did guess another pair of the Royal Toes, you are correct. These are just absolutely beautiful. If you guys wanted me to do a video on how I get so many pairs, I know this isn't a lot of pairs, but some people ask me like, yo, LBNF, how do you get so many pairs? And to be honest with you, it's just persistence, and you gotta follow the right people on Twitter. But yeah, if you guys wanted to want me to do a video like that, I can do that. That's gonna wrap up this unboxing for today. So I got 2 size 8s and a 9.5 in the blue toes, and then I got the Ray Gun Dunks that I've been waiting for a while, as well as some of the Sneakerhead and the Bay swag that I will be putting on my keychain, and then probably on my laptop. I do still have the 72 and 10 video coming out. It's taking a little while longer than I wanted to. Like I said, I just finished one shoe. They're looking pretty good. Starting on the other shoe. The shoe's almost done, not quite. Probably another 7 sessions. It's going to be the same as the other one. I am using Salon Care 50. So that's why it could take a little while longer than maybe another sole sauce, like maybe Fabe Sole or like Angela's brand or something like that. But do stay tuned. We do have future videos for y'all. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. LBNF Souls, I'm out. I appreciate y'all.